How wholesaling real estate works. Okay.
To learn more about real estate wholesaling and investing, please visit www.smartrealestatewholesaling.com, and for our Quick Start program, go to www.11dayschallenge.com.
How wholesaling real estate works. Okay. Let's talk about how real estate wholesaling works. Okay. Real estate wholesaling or wholesaling real estate, same thing, is essentially real estate investing strategy. Okay, the real estate investing strategy. But what is the meaning of wholesaling? Wholesaling essentially is when you buy goods and services at bulk price, right? When you buy it from a source that's closer to the origination of the goods and services. When you do that, especially goods, right? You tend to be able to find it at a cheaper price. Okay, so that creates room for you where you can have inbuilt equity where you can make some money from. Okay, and also you can sell that equity. So let me break it down into very simple layman language here. Okay, wholesaling, let's say for example in a farm market, right? Farm market, wholesaling market, a wholesale market or farm market is a place that's closer in source to the origination, the point of origination of the goods and services or products, right? And because of that, you're able to save some money. Okay, but once a retailer decides to purchase these goods and then sell and buyers, right? Obviously they want to make profit too, right? So the fact that they want to make profit, then they have to mark up the price of the goods and services or products, right? And that's what you call retail. So traditionally speaking, wholesaling is a type of trade where you essentially buy the goods a lot lower than the price you will buy it from the regular market. You buy it at the wholesale market. In real estate is the same thing. So instead of you going through a realtor who is essentially going to make commissions, which is a camouflaged way of marking up the price. So the property that's $400,000, you know, a realtor is going to make 5%, 3 to 5% commission on that. That's about $20,000. So if the original source of the property is selling to you directly, they will be willing to sell for at least no more than $400,000 minus the $20,000 commission that would have gone to a realtor, right? So that's $380,000. But it's a little bit bigger than that. It's a little bit more, it's deeper than that, right? Because again, why would somebody want to do all the work of selling it themselves, right? Because it takes work to actually sell a property. You have to stage the property, you have to make sure the property is in good condition, and you have to be ready to show the property. You also have to have good negotiation skills. Those are the kind of things that an agent, a real estate agent or realtor will bring to the table to represent the interest of the seller. But if the seller has a house that's basically that needs work, right? Then it becomes a question of like, yeah, the house needs work. I don't care. I just need to get rid of it, right? Those are the kind of deals that you can find for wholesale. And by finding those deals, you're not only just going to pay $380,000 for a property that's actually worth $400,000 after repair, right? So put in $25,000 worth of work in it, that's $225,000, right? And you sell it for $400,000, that's $175,000 in gross profit. That's the whole point of real estate wholesaling. Actually, that's the whole point of real estate investing, right? But as a wholesaler, the way it works in real estate is a little bit slightly different. All right, so that price will be with respect to, let's see, let's just make sure that we're good. All right, we're good. That price will be with respect to what you could potentially sell the property for at the end of the deal, right? So let's say you know that the price of the property after repair value is $400,000. The way we do it is we find out what the 65% of that is. That's essentially about $260,000. Property needs about $25,000 worth of work. So that's 260 minus 25. And that's basically about what? 235. And you lock it up under contract. That's a piece of paper that says this, you have the right to purchase this property within a period of time. And then you basically take that piece of paper, you sell it to an end buyer. It's a right, okay? There's something called equitable interest. There's equitable interest in that property basically the rights to purchase that property. You sell that to a person for $10,000. You just made $10,000. You didn't have to come up with any money towards the purchase of the property. Okay. However, it took some kind of skill set to find the property in the first place. And the idea is that you want to find multiple properties like this and make a living just finding deals for end buyers. That's what wholesaling is. Wholesaling real estate works. Okay.
To learn more about real estate wholesaling and investing, please visit www.smartrealestatewholesaling.com, and for our Quick Start program, go to www.11dayschallenge.com.